Hello everyone, it's Mandy. Hey, we are going to be doing our third part of our House to Home series. So if you've not seen the other ones, let me get those out real quick. This was the first of it. So this was our pillar stand, and we used our house cutout transfers to create this really cute one. And then we added to it this little house cutout, which is Home Sweet Home. And now we are going to make some actual tags, okay? So let me get this shared over to our VIP group. And guys, if you're not in my VIP group, just type in VIP and I will certainly get you the link. And welcome to all my newbies. I appreciate you joining me, joining my page. And let me make sure you can actually see it. So I don't know if you guys can see, like, there's lines on either side of my video. I'm still working that out, so I'm just going to go ahead and apologize. This Facebook Live thing, you think you get it worked out one way, then somehow it doesn't work out. So let me go ahead. We're going to start. Okay, so these little tags, super cute, right? They come in a pack of 6, okay? These can be found in my online store, and they come with this little twine. And then we're going to use this transfer today, which is the tag transfer. And it comes with these cute little patterns and little words. And then we're going to be using our pink grapefruit. And I think this is teal. This is called Tide. So to go with our little house that we did. So I'm probably going to do the plaid. And then we're going to do home, okay, since we're doing our house to home series. So let's get started here. And I'm just going to cut these out. And I wanted to show everyone, if you can see, there's already lines here. So I'm just going to, but I like to cut it out. I actually like to cut the transfer and leave the backer sheet untouched so that you can just put your transfer right back onto the backer sheet. I just think it's better to store it that way because it's just easier to see what you have. So, you know, if you get more and more transfers, you're going to want an easier way to look at it. So I just take my scissors and just follow the cut lines. And when you're following the cut lines, you're pretty much guaranteed that everything's going to be centered, okay? So we are going to do this. And this comes with a little mask circle. So we have the bigger ones for our bigger size transfers. But this one's going to be great to show you. I think maybe, let me make sure I'm telling you right. How to use it. I got to remember how to use it myself. So bear with me. I'm new to Chalk Couture. If you don't know me, I'm Mandy Ross with Gwen's Foxy Nests, and I'm an independent designer with Chalk Couture. And I'm fairly new, so you guys are learning along with me. I don't normally do the projects ahead of time. I normally wait to kind of come online, and we do them together and we learn together. So as I'm making mistakes, you're seeing it. And I'm thinking that I don't think I can use this. Well, no, I think that it's not going to work out the way I want. So we're just going to put the home right over the design here, okay? So welcome everyone, and if you have questions, like I said, just go ahead and put them in the comments. If you like what you see, please feel free to share the content, or like, I guess Facebook didn't like us to say share, so they like us to say sprinkle. So if you can sprinkle this into a group or into, on your page, would love that. So let's get started. And we're just going to put this paste right on here. And so for the newbies, you want to make sure your paste is like a yogurt-like consistency. So we're just going to put this on here and just kind of dot it around on our design here. And you're just really worried about getting the paste on the design area. So we're not worried about this blue part, okay? And once it's on there, you're just going to take your squeegee, your mini squeegee, and move it around and cover all that design area, okay? So it's super easy, it's relaxing, it's fun. You know, could you think of like, you know, your little downtime that you like to have where you just don't want anyone to you don't want to talk to anybody, or you just want some of your closer girlfriends around and, you know, drinking some wine and having some fun making some home decor. Okay, so we have over like 250 designs that you can choose from Farmhouse to boho to Western. So what I did is I just took up the excess of the paste on my squeegee, and I'm just going to put whatever I have excess on back into my jar. So you can see that it doesn't take much paste, and you know, so those jars last you a long time. So let me just kind of take this off. You want to do it from top to bottom or left to right, because these are reusable up to a dozen times, and they're silk screen, and that's how you get your really clean and crisp designs here. Okay, so if you take it off slowly, you can see I'm getting paint on me. You know, if you miss the area, you just put it back down and paste right back over it. Okay, so don't worry about that. And we're gonna take it off here. Okay, so this is water, our paste is water soluble. So I'll take this to my sink and I'll actually wash it off with just water. And then once it's washed, I'll lay it out to dry with the sticky side up. And once that's done, I'll just simply put it back on my backer sheet here, okay? And be able to reuse it for next time. And guys, you can use these transfers on basically any surface. They can go on fabric, they can go on paper, ceramics, glass, you name it, and it will probably go on there. So, okay, so let's go ahead and clean this up or dry this out. I love this tide. It's so pretty. Thanks for joining, guys. Appreciate it. Okay. Let's see. Okay, I think that is dry. Now, staying with my color theme, I'm going to actually put the home right here. I'm going to put it right here, and let's see how it turns out for us. Okay. And these you could do double-sided, just like our little house cutouts or whatever, but we're just going to do one side today and show you how fast and easy these guys are to make. So each of those projects that I showed you earlier, the pillar stand and the house cutouts, really took me less than 15 minutes to do. And this one's probably going to take me even less time, okay? So let's get that off and get the excess up and go off. Put it back in your paste and then just peel that right off. Aw, that is so cute. So like that, and again, I'll just take this to my sink, wipe it off, and once it's dry, I'll put it back on my backer sheet, okay? And that is it for tonight, guys. You can put on a little ribbon if you have ribbon. Let's see, or we can put just one of these guys on, and Let me dry that guy. Let me dry the home. Okay. Just put this guy on here. Like that. There you go. And now it's ready to tie on a present or on some other decor. And that's what I'm going to show you the next time I come on. I'm going to show you how to actually start decorating with just these 3 items. Kind of some decorating basics or whatever. I would say, you know, trying to give you some ideas that you could use for your bathroom or your kitchen or even your desk area. So keep that in mind as we come on next time. And if you have questions, just leave them in the comments or send me a direct message and I will certainly get back to you. If you guys are interested in the products for tonight that I used tonight, just type in shop and I can get you the links. We also have a Chalk Couture, and the Chalk Couture is just happy mail that you get in your monthly mail. Just kind of reminds you to stop and have a craft night, and it's $19.99 a month, and it comes with a transfer and 3 packets of paste, and so that's every month. So if you're interested in that, just type in club. And I appreciate you joining tonight, and happy chalking. Bye.